day everyone, I go by name Skyward. You can see this video. I am an affiliate marketing coach and I train people on how to make money online. Presently I'm still teaching people on how to make money on Clickbank, and so as you can see, this is really giving me great sales. So to earn big money like this, contact me on my Gmail at skyward.gmail.com. But first, watch my video to see what I have for you. Thank you. I go by name Skyward. If you can see this video, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Yes, as you all know, I am an affiliate marketing coach. I train people on how to make money online on affiliate marketing, and I'm still training people on how to make money online on Clickbank. So this is the account of one of my students that got my software and video course and has been using it to get organic traffic to his Clickbank affiliate platform. As you can see, this is excellent results. And remember, you can always contact me on my Gmail at skyward.gmail.com or on Telegram on this number you can see on the screen to get my software and video course and start earning big. Yes, my software work by gathering more than 2,000 organic traffic daily on digital platforms and promoting your affiliate product or link to these organic traffics for you to get commission. And my video course contain a video that will guide you step by step on how to use the software to get sales on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Yes, because my software is only applicable to Clickbank alone, but you can use it to get sales like this on any of your affiliate marketing platform like JVZoo, Warrior Plus and the likes. So to get my software and video course and start earning big on any of your affiliate marketing platform, contact me now on my Gmail at skyward.gmail.com or text me on Telegram to this number you can see on the screen to get my software and video course now on how to make money online on affiliate marketing. Yes, and as I said earlier on, my video course is self-explanatory and I'm always accessible by my students. My students know that I will stay by you to start earning. And as I used to say, most people may be wondering that why am I selling software since I'm earning millions of dollars online, and I've trained people that are earning big money like this, also thousands of dollars online. Yes, this is because I'm working on a bigger platform for affiliate marketers around the world. Yes, I'm trying to create a bigger platform. So through this software, I'm gathering my students so that when I develop other softwares, yes, because I'm a software developer, I develop the software that is earning these excellent sales like the one you can see on the screen. So I'm still working on more softwares that I'm going to develop that's going to make affiliate marketing easy and a easy platform for making of money from home. Yes, so to contact me today and get the software and video course and start earning big on any of your affiliate marketing platform, contact me on my Gmail at skyward.gmail.com or text me on Telegram to this number you can see on the screen. Text me on my Gmail at skyward.gmail.com or text me on Telegram to this number you can see on the screen now to get my software and video course and start earning big on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Once again, I go by name Skyward and I train people on how to make money online. Thank you.